The concept of environment is a very broad concept. The interaction of living organisms with the physical, chemical, and biological factors is called the environment. To cut the definition in short, we can say that an environment is any and everything that surrounds a living organism. It includes all the living, non-living, natural, and man-made components that exist in our surroundings. Environment can be broadly classified into two main types: natural environment and man-made environment. Components like air, water, soil, constant interactions take place between living and non-living components. These interrelationships are very important for smooth functioning of an environment. Man-made environment directly or indirectly influences the natural environment. Environment is made up of two main components: biotic components and abiotic components. The study of interactions between the biotic and abiotic components of the environment is called ecology. And the most important basic unit used in ecological studies is called an ecosystem. Environment comprises different systems. We have already studied about some types of ecosystem in our previous grades. Look at this pond. Even this is called an ecosystem. Our planet Earth is the largest ecosystem. Thus, we can say that biotic and abiotic components in a given area and their interactions with each other together form an ecosystem.